This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Automatic transmission fluid and filter change. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Push the hood safety latch to the side, then raise the hood. Immediately after driving the vehicle, park it on a level surface, then raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. The vehicle must be level for an accurate check, so both the front and rear ends must be raised and supported. Position a large drain pan underneath the transmission fluid pan. Remove the transmission pan mounting bolts and allow the fluid to drain. It helps to leave a few of the pan bolts installed, but unscrewed a few turns to support the pan while the fluid is draining. Clean the pan with solvent and dry it thoroughly. Some models are equipped with magnets in the transmission pan to catch metal debris. Clean the magnet thoroughly. A small amount of metal material is normal at the magnet between the fluid changes. Make sure the gasket surface on the transmission pan is clean. Then install a new gasket on the pan. Remove the filter from the valve body inside the transmission by pulling it straight down. Carefully clean the gasket surface of the transmission to remove all traces of the old gasket and sealant. Use a seal removal tool to remove the transmission filter seal from the valve body. Tap the new seal into place with a steel driver or socket of the approximate diameter. Install a new filter onto the transmission, pushing it securely into the new seal. Maneuver the pan in place against the transmission and install all of the bolts. Working around the pan, tighten each bolt a little at a time until the specified torque setting is reached. Don't over-tighten the bolts and work up to the final torque in 3 or 4 steps. Remove the fill plug from the right side of the transmission case. Remove the check plug from the bottom of the fluid pan. Using a fluid pump, add fluid through the fill plug hole until fluid begins to run from the check plug hole. Temporarily install and tighten the check plug. Reinstall the fill plug and depress the plunger to lock it in place. Start the engine. With your foot on the brake, move the gear selector lever through each range, pausing for a few seconds between each interval, then back to park. With the engine idling, remove the check plug. Fluid should just trickle from the hole. If no fluid comes out, turn off the engine. Remove the fill plug and add some more until it does. If fluid runs out heavily, allow it to flow until it just drips. Reinstall the check plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Lower the vehicle to the ground